Hello girls, today we will discuss about how to care your hairpiece to be sure that it will last at least 2 years but maybe even 4.
Comment font les femmes pour garder leur volumateur plusieurs années?
So there are some women that succeed to keep their hairpiece in beautiful quality even 4 years. It will really depend of how they take care about the product. A product like this should at least have a lifespan of 2 years, but you can keep it more time if you really take care about it. For instance, when you brush it, you don't do here, here, here. There is wefted line here with hair, and it's delicate product, so you don't do this like this or here in the seal, because one hair that is lost will be lost forever. So you brush it gently, and when you have some knots, you take in your hand, and here you can brush a bit more because you don't remove the hair from the structure because the pressure is here. So it's important to brush it properly, but also when you wash it, to not put too much product, oily product, on the silk or on the lace or even on the wefted, because it can unknot the knots. So it's really important to be gentle in the way you handle your hairpiece. Even when you stock it at night, you should put it on a wig head or like this on a table, but not like this in your handbag. It's not possible. It's really important to take care of the product.
Can we sleep with it?
I think it's not a good idea to sleep with a hairpiece. You can take a little nap one day with your hairpiece, it won't destroy it, but it's not good to sleep with it every day, because for hair prostheses that are permanently attached to your hair is about 3 months lifespan. So it means that when you sleep with it and every day, the lifespan will be highly diminished. So it's important to not do that frequently. It can be exceptional. It's like going to the swimming pool or to the sea or to the sport. It will not be very good to your piece. The best thing is to remove it when you sleep.
Okay. Is it okay to go to store with it?
I think you can. I have a lot of customers that do sport with the piece, so I think it's okay. For instance, myself, I did dance courses all the year and it was okay. But it depends of the sport. If it's always in a swimming pool, or if it's boxes, or something that is violent for your hairpiece, I think it's not a good idea. But if it's just going to the gym style and doing that, there is no difference. You can wear it without any problem.
Okay.
The thing that will make your hairpiece evolve a bit with time is not the hair quality. Even if after 1 year or 2, maybe here it will be a bit more dry and it's normal and you can cut it a bit. The thing that is more sensitive is for processed hair like this one, all pieces that are not virgin, like brunette hair that are virgin or Euro hair that are virgin. So the blonde piece, the light brown piece that are not virgin, or the processed hair like this, the color of the hair will lighten with the sun, especially if you go in holidays in a space where there is a lot of sun. You have to put a hat. It's better to protect the piece. But even like this, even if you don't go to holidays, even if you are in a temperate area like Paris where there are not that much of sun, it's normal that after 1 year the piece will lighten. So it can be good to make a dyeing process on the piece to have a new color on it after 1 year of wearing, because it will give a second young, yes. It will be like a new piece again if you dye it a bit. Sorry for my English today, it's a disaster. It's a bit hard. So I think it can be a good idea if you wear your piece since 1 year or 2 and it's a bit too light for you, to dye it again to make it last more time.
Okay. How often should you wash it?
I think it's not good to wash it too often. I think once a month or once every 5 to 6 weeks is okay. Because the more you wash it, the more you will lose a bit of hair every time, and it's not useful to do it. But if you have a lot of transpiration, if it's not clean, wash it, it's not a problem, but don't take the habit to wash it every week, it's too much. You can wait several weeks. When the product is 1 year old, sometimes it will be dried a bit more, because it's like this that the product will be aging. So don't let it dry. It's better to make a mask or something that let it the hair be dehydrated. So don't hesitate to put some argan oil or cocoa oil or things like that if you don't want to wash it too often, but it's better to wash it and make a mask than letting the piece be dehydrated.
Okay.
The difference between a woman that will keep this piece even 4 years and a woman that will take it for only 6 months is the care of the product. If you curl it every day, in 6 months it can be very dry. So you should avoid too much treatment that are aggressive to the hair. Also the way you stock it, the way you wash it. There is really customers that are really taking care of their piece, and even 4 years later the piece is still perfect. And I have customers that destroy their piece in 6 months. So it's girl depending. And I think it's something that is not that delicate. It's you can see that it's resistant. Okay, I don't have hair in my hand, sorry. But even if it's resistant, you have to take care of it. So I hope that all these advices will help you to really take care of your piece.
Okay, thank you, Laure.
Thank you.